Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this gorgeous Aarti Thali or Raksha Bandhan platter using paper quilling strip decoration. So I have created this beautiful pair of peacock and these two containers to keep kumkum and roli, and it's looking super gorgeous. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. So here I am taking this mount board circle which is having 18 centimeter diameter. You can also use cardboard circle. Now I am just wrapping one pink color paper around this, which is little bigger than our mount board base. So similarly complete this all over the edge and it's done. Now to cover this side I am taking one paper circle and just sticking on this. Now I am taking one pink metallic cardstock circle and I am just sticking it on top of the base to give more finishing. Just stick it very well using bone folder. And now I am taking this 12 centimeter diameter floral print cardstock and just sticking it in the center. So our base of the quilling thali is ready. Now just start with the quilling part. So here I have given you the template of the peacock in description box of both the sides of peacocks. So I am taking one peacock and I have just colored it with blue and yellow ochre shade acrylic colors. Now I am starting with the quilling shapes. So for the first shape I am taking 1/8 strip of yellow color and 1/4 strip of mustard color and I am making one teardrop shape. Here I am using 2 mm strip to make a peacock body. So we need total 80 teardrops of this type. Now for the next shape I am taking 1/4 strip of light blue color and making one leaf shape. We need total 3 colors in leaf shapes in light blue, medium blue and dark blue. Like this. So we need total 40 these type of leaves, 24 dark blue leaves and 24 medium blue leaves. Now I am starting with the feathers. For this I am taking half strip of medium blue and half strip of light green color and I am making one teardrop shape. Like this. Now I am taking one strip of dark green color and making a Malaysian flower petal. Here I am making a coil till this portion only, leaving little strip to wrap it later. So just make a Malaysian flower petal like this. Add glue inside this and stick your teardrop. And now wrap the petal using remaining strip and just secure it. So this is done. Then I am taking 1/4 strip of dark green color, just folding it from center, add little glue and stick your feather inside this. So this is done. In the same way I have prepared total 4 feathers and I have just cut the bottom strip little bit each time to make it small, and one we will be needed only like this without the extra strip in the bottom. So feathers are ready. Now I am starting with the decoration of the peacock. So here I am adding all 3 blue shades leaf shapes one by one. I have given the quantity earlier for both the peacocks. So just complete it like this, and after adding it will look like this. Now I am starting with adding my yellow teardrops. So this is also done. Then here I have prepared some small paper eye. I have just cut white color paper in leaf shape and added the eye shape using black gel pen. So I'm just sticking the eye with the peacock, and also created this crown using 3 tight coils of 1/4 strip of medium blue color, and I have just added 1 strip with the first coil. And this time I am using my 3 mm strip to create the crown. So I have just stuck the crown, and now I am adding 1/4 strip of dark blue colored 3 mm for the finishing touch from outer side. So the beautiful peacock is ready. And now to create beak, I am making a cone shape. For this I am taking half strip of orange color 3 mm and making a cone using pencil. Just bend this cone little bit, add glue inside this and stick with the peacock. Allow it to dry for some time and it's ready. It's looking super gorgeous. Now I'm taking back my thali, and here I have prepared one more peacock with the same procedure in other direction. Now here in the bottom I am adding this feather which is not having the extra strip in the bottom. In the same way I have done with other peacock, and now I am sticking both the peacocks with the thali base. And then I will start adding feathers one by one. Similarly, add feathers for other peacock. And it's done. Then here in the bottom I am adding one quilled lotus. So I am showing you how to create lotus petal. For this I am taking half strip of light pink color and making one leaf shape. In the same way I have prepared one more leaf shape, and now I am taking half strip of white color and making one small leaf shape. Then I am joining 3 petals together. And wrapping this whole petal using dark pink color strip. To create lotus I am taking 3 mm strips. So we need total 7 petals to create lotus. Now taking back the thali, and in the center I am going to add my lotus. So I am just taking my ruler and marking the center point of the bottom. And then I will start sticking the petals one by one. And the lotus is ready. Now in the bottom part of the lotus I am adding these 2 small scrolls, which are made using light green and dark green 3 mm strips. If you want to learn how to create scrolls, just search my scroll video. Now I am starting with some tight coils. So first I am taking 1/4 strip of maroon color and making one tight coil. So we need total 85 maroon coils, and similarly we need 45 purple coils, which are made using 1/4 strip for each coil. So I am just adding purple coils on the inner edge of circle and maroon coils on the outer edge of circle. So just complete this. And after adding coils on both the sides, it will look like this. Now here I have added some beautiful teardrop shapes. Similarly I am going to add here. So for this I am taking 1 strip of yellow color 3 mm and making one drop shape. Then in the center of this drop I am adding one drop shape green color stone. like this. So we need total 28 teardrop shapes. Now taking back my thali, and here in the center I have added 1/4 strip of dark green color just for the center of the petals. And now I will start adding teardrop shapes one by one. So it's done. Now I'm just decorating the lotus and peacock using some stones and ball chain. So this is done, and here I have prepared two dome shape for kumkum and roli. I have just joined 4 strips of yellow color and created the dome. Similarly, I have joined 4 strips of red color to create the red dome and added off-white color tight coil in the center and decorated with some golden ball chains. So the beautiful quilled Aarti Thali or Raksha Bandhan platter is ready. I'm sure you will try this very soon. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.